Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we got a sneaker review and unboxing of the FLYKNIT AIR MAX. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at a sneaker that mixes two of my favorite Nike's models. It is known as the Nike FLYKNIT AIR MAX or FLYKNIT RACER AIR MAX. Let me just get the correct one. So it's the Nike AIR MAX FLYKNIT RACER. There we go. That's the proper name for it. And as I mentioned before, it mixes two of my favorite Nike's silhouettes. You're gonna see the mashup once we get to the unboxing, but that's what I want to talk to you guys about, the boxing. So Nike obviously are trying to get into their move to zero, and it's really dope to see. If you're someone who likes to keep your box, I don't think there's a box like these coming from Nike. They want to ditch double boxing. However, I do believe other retailers will have a box, but Nike don't. So it came in this one delivery box. And we unbox it like that. So this is essentially the shoe box. And obviously it says Nike's working to ditch the double box and ship shoes in a single shoe box made with at least 90% recycled content. And here they are. Now for those with a keen eye, you can definitely tell that it is a FLYKNIT RACER, the upper, and the bottom is the new AIR MAX Pre-Day, which we've done a review of both. Want to see the young me for the FLYKNIT RACER? Check that video out. But we've also done the AIR MAX Pre-Day, sorry, and that was more recent. And big shout out to Life of Broski, who always put us on to the AIR MAX Pre-Day. Big love to that channel, so check out his channel. He's really good YouTube sneaker reviewer as well. Moving on, let's start with the review, and we start with the outsole. So you go an all rubber outsole. You can see the waffle print, and essentially, as I mentioned before about the AIR MAX Pre-Day, this outsole is the AIR MAX Pre-Day's outsole. You got the Air logo there, the waffle print that Nike are famous for, and then moving on onto the midsole unit. So obviously you got a foam body, but you got the exposed AIR MAX unit here, so you can see it. It's that one AIR MAX bag there for the comfort, and aesthetically it looks great. Just be sure that you're not walking in anything sharp for this to pop, but other than that, I think it's a really good detail of the sneaker. That I really like the exposed AIR MAX unit, and to be fair, personally myself, I like a big AIR MAX unit that is just there, that is big. Well, this is relatively big, but you got the 270, the 720s. Again, we've done reviews of those, so do check those out. But this is a simplified version. And we move on onto the upper. So this upper is made out of 20% recycled materials, and it is the FLYKNIT. And we love FLYKNIT here at Oneupreviewz. One of my favorite running sneakers was the FLYKNIT RACER, which obviously the upper takes homage to. And I wish we could have got the rainbow version, but this black and white is pretty dope itself. Again, it's just a sock lining booty system here, all in the synthetic materials. It's Nike's FLYKNIT. Got black swoosh on the lateral and the medial side. You got synthetic suedes. Well, it's synthetic leather, actually. I was going to say, it was mentioned in Nike's website, it's suede, but this is synthetic PU materials that make the heel clip and the lacing area as well. The laces, they're just typical laces right here, brown lacing. Not much padding on the tongue, but it's very light. Obviously these are designed with, I wouldn't personally go out for loads of runs in these. This is more of a contemporary casual look. You're going for your walks, maybe the light jog, whatever you do. If you want to run in them, I suppose you can. And on the tongue, they've got the Nike Flyknit logo here. It's quite padded, it's like a little bit padded. It's not as padded as you'd like from your Nike sneakers, but yeah, here we are. Oh, I totally forgot to mention the sizing of this sneaker that we've got because it's not in the box. So we've got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US men's 8.5. I mean, it's great that, you know, Nike are saving, trying to reduce the amount of waste in their production. So I guess that's really good on their part. That rounds off my review. If it lives up to anything like the Flyknit Racer or the Air Max Pre-Day, I'm sure I'm in for a great ride, a great feel, and a great shoe on my feet. So with all that said, roll that footage of me wearing these, I was going to say them wrong, Flyknit Air Max Racer. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get as half size down to what you usually wear from Nike. If you want a snug fit, there's a bit of space where my toes are. Yeah, you can see right there, there's some space right there. But in regards to comfort, this is really great. I knew what to expect because we have tried the Air Max Pre and we have done a Flyknit Racer in the past, and just those two combined makes a great sneaker. Looks great on as well. Can't go wrong with an Air Max unit, and you can't go wrong with Flyknit technology. This is a winner, guys. If you're able to cop a pair, I suggest you get one. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with his Z at the end. And until next time, peace.